What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So after the announcement of the OnePlus launch event, the OnePlus 9 series, here are the 5 reasons why you should buy the OnePlus 9 Pro. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon because this video will be the series of the episodes that why you should buy and you shouldn't buy the OnePlus 9 Pro and the other OnePlus 9 series phone. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. The heart of the phone, the Snapdragon 888 processor. So the OnePlus 9 series phone, in which the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro comes with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888 5G processor, which is a 5nm architecture, and it's the best possible mobile smartphone processor which you can get right now. And the rest you also know about how good is the Snapdragon 888 processor, as you have also seen this processor in the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And other than that, this processor is as of now not available in any other phone other than few more mentions such as the Asus ROG 5. Number 2, the incredible fast charging. The 9 Pro comes with an incredible fast charging of 65 watts, and that is a massive, as the manufacturers such as the Samsung and Apple are removing the chargers from the box. OnePlus is providing you the Warp Charge 65T, and the chargers is also included in the box. And the cherry on the top of that is that we also have a 50 watts wireless charging, which is insanely fast. Like, you can charge your smart OnePlus 9 Pro in 0 to 100 in about 43 minutes, and that's insanely fast. Like, Samsung don't even provide the fast charging speed what OnePlus is providing in the wireless. So what a weird world we live in. Number 3, the Hasselblad. As we also covered the Hasselblad and the OnePlus collaboration, you can also find a card above. Earlier also, taking a look deeper into that, the cameras have so improved in the OnePlus 9 Pro series, as we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens which provide a crisper shot and the best camera for images, as some of the main sensor of the phones are not able to provide that, as the sensor on the OnePlus 9 Pro, the wide angle lens, is bigger than the main sensor of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, this is another one reason that you should consider buying OnePlus 9 series. Well guys, it's that time of the video. Well, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and also hit that bell icon so you never miss a video from us. And if you're liking this video, what you are seeing, then give this video a thumbs up. 4th, the LTPO. The next best reason to buy the OnePlus 9 Pro, in my opinion, is the next generation display technology, which is the LTPO panel on the OnePlus 9 series. Majorly on the OnePlus 9 Pro, as it gives your display a refresh rate of up to 1 Hz to a 120 Hz without any problem or without any stuttering, which really helps your battery life or the phone in a day-to-day usage of the device. Well, this display technology has only been seen in the Ultras of the Samsung and none other than that. From 1 Hz to 120 Hz, we have never seen other than this phone and the Ultras of the Samsungs. 5. Extras. Now, if we talk about the extras, the OnePlus has really given it all in the extra services, such as and also the extra features such as the IP68 water resistance, smooth oxygen OS running, and also the OnePlus community and the software updates from the OnePlus series smartphones. The OnePlus has always given us the best software experience when compared to the other manufacturers, and these extra do make up a little when you consider buying the smartphones. As these days we also don't get a charger in the box, and the OnePlus is providing us a 65 watt fast charging, and the other top 4 reasons which you have seen in this video, and there are many more small such reasons to buy the OnePlus. And what do you think about the 5 reasons to buy the OnePlus 9 series? Do let us know in the comment section below, and I'll surely reply to that, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.